Hi guys, welcome back. What I wanted to do is test out Glamzilla. She came out with a collab with nude sticks. Her turning 30, and this is her Dirty 30, her blush kit. And I love her logo back here. Beauty doesn't end at 30, it evolves in your 30s. As someone who is in her 40s, I'm telling you, you can maintain yourself, your identity, your sexiness, your individuality, and still continue to grow. Learning to love my imperfections has been a big thing. So here is the collaboration. Here's the box, which is super cute and glamorous. So this one is called Dirty 30. She got to this shade is she put all together all her favorite blush shades, which I think is also such a cool and unique concept. And boom, this is what she got. Which this one is called Flirty and Thriving, right? But the cool thing about this one is that it's a 2-in-1. No, just bronze your face up a bit and then use this as a blush. Show you. So this is like the bronzing part of it. You see how it just bronzes beautifully right there. Now, since I really liked how this blush color looked on me, I'm gonna do a mixture of the bronzer and the blush. That blush color is beautiful. You can use it as a blush, as a bronzer, as an eyeshadow. I would love to go in with it. Ooh, that looks pretty. All right, let's see. Different lighting so you guys can see. That looks so good, right? So Glamzilla, you did your thing.